Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you guys practically how to make perfect steam milk. So guys, you can see this. This is a steamer job. I show you today how to make perfectly steam. Example, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your guys should be steam right away. Two or 4. This is a 3. Someone I saw like this steam straight like this. This is wrong. This is not perfect. When perfect, steamer should be this way. Steamer should be this way. This is a perfect. So guys, so let's go now. I show how to make steam directly. I show you. You can see this is my steamer pot. When I steam this, first I need to clean this steamer first. Then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 3, someone steam like this 3. This is wrong. Should be steam 2 or 4. So let's go how to steam milk perfectly. When we finish steam, then need to must be wiped first. So guys, you can see this when steam milk, this milk should be temperature 60 to 70. You can see my milk. So let's go. Now I make one coffee. How to add milk. This is my main one missing. So let's go. Practically today I show art how to make coffee like this. Beginner should be very important this thing. I show this is a theory should be. You can see how I steam milk and make coffee for everybody. So guys, everybody who still not yet subscribed my channel should be subscribed. Then you can see my video how to make coffee, how to steam milk, how to make coffee, everything. Thank you guys. Have a good day.